In this video, we will show you how to flip PDF image. For example, here we have one PDF files, and to flip this PDF image, actually the easiest way we can using Microsoft Edge. If you can see there, I already using Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, if you want to open your PDF files with Microsoft Edge, just right click on your PDF files and click open with and choose Microsoft Edge. With the Microsoft Edge, in the newest Windows version like Windows 11, it can be done with the easiest way. Just using this button to rotate your PDF files or to flip your PDF files. You can see it's very easy. And after you're done, you just click a save button here. For example, I type scan sample with 2 and click save. And let's see here, the scan sample is flipped and your original become the scan sample too. And maybe this is a bug by Microsoft Edge, but this is, I think, is the simplest way, and you don't need to install external application using this browser. And the number second, you can using online tools like Small PDF. Okay, let's click our PDF files. You can open the smallpdf.com/rotate-pdf here. We can insert our PDF files, and for example, we can flip into right. Okay, you can see there, or left, whatever you like. And after you're done, you can click apply change and you can download your files. Okay, scan sample, rotate, and when you open, for example, in Google Chrome, I will open in Google Chrome, and it's already open with rotate version. And the number 3, you can get the free software to extract the image calling PDF image extractor, and it's also very easy. You can get this software free, the link on pinned comments. For example, we have this scan sample image and we can click extract. Please focus on this. Okay, the image has been successfully saved, you can see here. Then you can just flip this image easily using Windows programs, and after that, when you close, it's already flipped like this. Okay, and you can make this as PDF with Microsoft Word, especially in 365. You can just insert the image. Okay, for example here, and select your image here and just rotate like you want. And this is also easiest way, and you can save this as PDF. And you are done. Whatever method you like, it's up to you. And for software like PDF image extractor, you can get in pinned comments. Hope this video helpful for you.